You like cherries? You want something to eat?
When's the fireworks gonna happen?
Hey, honey, it's when it gets dark.
We need one itty bitty
Look at
connector.
him.
Whoa!
Gives me the heebie-jeebies looking at that thing.
Like, no.
Ha ha. Bentley.
How do I, or which?
You know, I can see you way out there. When you're walking up, I can see you. That's cool.
Car doors, huh? That's pretty.
These are all going off because somebody is down there with the gas-powered leaf blower.
That's one of those boats that just blew up.
That's probably it. Olivia, they definitely came in handy.
Yeah. Kept him busy.
Ooh, that's a pretty one.
Preston's stealing it.
Hey, Darcy, now you able to see her.
Oliver, let him have some. And he just wiped out.
Now she just needs some white bracelets.
Come here, McKinley.
He made it as long as I wanted it.
Hi. You could go in the dark necklace.
Mommy, really close.
Here, ready?
I had a...
You ready?
It's McKinley. There goes Preston.
She looks thrilled.
He likes it.
Oh, I know. The look in her face like,
I thought they got...
You need some water. Where's Preston? But where's Preston?
Look it.
Yes, I know that's your water. I can't see you without your necklace on.